we want to find the range of the numbers 8, 9, 10, 10, 12 and 14. The range is our first measure of dispersion. Dispersion or spread of the data. This measures how spread out the data is from the average. The range is very easy to calculate. It's quite simply the largest data value take away the smallest data value. So here the largest piece of data is a 14 and the smallest is an 8. So we have 14 take away 8, which is 6. We now want to find the range for the frequency distribution below. Always remember what a frequency distribution means. We start with 5 zeros. We then have 7 ones, 12 twos and so on, up to having 2 values which are 5. So the largest piece of data is a 5 and the smallest is a 0. We could of course read this directly from the table. The largest is a 5, the smallest is a 0. The range is always the largest take away the smallest. So it's 5 take away 0, which is 5.